There's nothing wrong with wanting to do everything in your business. When you finish each project, you love the feeling of accomplishment. But when you start to fall behind, or you know you're not doing something as well as you should, you may start wondering if it's something that you should continue doing. This is true when you're doing your own bookkeeping for your business. And in today's podcast episode, I'll help you decide if outsourcing your bookkeeping is something that you should be thinking about for your business. You really want to think through your options, and when it comes to bookkeeping, you're fortunate that it doesn't always have to be all or nothing. If you've been wondering if outsourcing your bookkeeping is the direction that you should be taking in your business, I'll help you understand how you can improve your bookkeeping process, the top reasons most business owners outsource their bookkeeping, and the advantages that you'll see if you decide that outsourcing is best for you and your business. It doesn't matter if you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. You need to make sure that you're taking control of and understanding your business finances. And if you're unable to keep up with your bookkeeping, it's time to make some important decisions for your business. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. Bookkeeping is one of those necessary tasks that need to be done, and it doesn't matter what kind of business you have or which products or services that you provide. You need to have this financial information at the very least so that you can file your tax return every year. This financial information is so valuable, yet so many business owners don't take advantage of having it in real time, backing their decisions and solidifying their reasons. But instead, they blindly make decisions and hope for the best. There's nothing wrong with a business owner doing their own bookkeeping, but there may be times when you want to take a second look to see if it's in your best interest to continue doing it. Many business owners will do their own bookkeeping when they first start their business. They have more time to devote to their bookkeeping since other areas of their business are not demanding as much of their time. They might be excited about seeing the sales come in, and they more than likely have fewer transactions, which makes it more manageable and easier for them to stay up to date. When your business grows, you may find the time that you used to have to do your bookkeeping starts to dwindle, and you spend less and less time on your business finances. Today, I want to address the thoughts that you might be having when you're wondering if you should continue doing your own bookkeeping or if you should begin to look into outsourcing it. This is a decision you want to think through clearly. Your ultimate goal is to ensure that you have accurate and reliable financial information about your business. Let's start with some of the major signs that you may need to outsource your bookkeeping. The first is time. If you find that your bookkeeping is taking up too much of your valuable time, or you're just not devoting or prioritizing your time to make sure that your bookkeeping is up to date, this may be a significant reason to look into outsourcing your bookkeeping. And outsourcing will free up more of your time so that you can put that back into your business. Next is if you know your bookkeeping is behind and it needs to be caught up. You may feel overwhelmed with the daily tasks and you might be putting off your reconciliations. When this happens, you'll find yourself with feelings of uncertainty and you're unsure about not only your financial status, but you're also hesitant about making business decisions due to the lack of financial knowledge. You might also find that you're unable to file your tax return on time, or you need to file an extension because you just need more time to get your bookkeeping up to date. So let's talk about some of the top reasons business owners decide to outsource their bookkeeping. One of the first reasons is that it can be cost effective. Not only do you want to think about the value of your time as a business owner that you could be saving when you outsource, but when you outsource your bookkeeping rather than hiring an in-house bookkeeper, you're also saving money on benefits, vacation, paid time off, insurance, and paying for time when your employee doesn't have enough work to do. When you outsource, you only have to pay for the services provided, and most times, you'll agree on a monthly amount so that you can budget these expenses easily. When you outsource your bookkeeping, you're also gaining their expertise. An outsourced bookkeeper has the knowledge and experience of working with other businesses as well. They're able to help you create processes that are efficient so that you don't have to waste your valuable time and money, such as utilizing computerized software systems like QuickBooks Online to reduce errors and reconcile accounts to ensure accuracy. With a system like QuickBooks Online, they can also make sure that you have access to your bookkeeping data so that you're always aware of what's happening within your business. The bookkeeping system will be able to grow with you as your business grows and can adapt to any changes in your business. You'll have access to all of your customer and your vendor information if needed, and you can even generate reports yourself if you want to. They can help you be aware of expenses that you might need to reduce and help you receive payments on past due customers as well. They can provide additional financial information so that you understand your business, such as a sales by summary report, so that you can see who your largest customers are at any point in time. Their overall goal is to have everything up to date and provide you with financial statements so that you can have confidence in exactly how your business is doing. When you outsource your bookkeeping, you get to decide which bookkeeping tasks you would like help with. You might decide that you'll continue with entering your transactions, and you only want to outsource help with reconciling your accounts and generating your financial statements. This method of outsourcing works well when you still have time to do some of your bookkeeping and you want to stay in touch with the day-to-day transactions, but you want the overall confidence knowing that someone has reviewed your entries and has reconciled all of your accounts for accuracy. If you decide at any point in time that you don't want to do any of your bookkeeping, you can outsource this information in a few simple steps. You'd need to give your bookkeeper access to your financial information, such as your bank statements, payroll, credit card statements, and loan information, for example. They would then take this information and make sure all of the data has been entered. They reconcile and verify everything for accuracy, and then they send you your up-to-date financial statements. This work can be done either locally, on-site, or remotely. Most outsourced bookkeepers will do your bookkeeping remotely, but there are some instances where you might want to have someone locally so that they're able to come to your business and work on-site. Regardless of how much or how little you want your outsourced bookkeeper to do, they can help you alleviate stress at tax time by providing the information needed to your tax preparer so that your tax return is filed on time. Whether you outsource all or parts of your bookkeeping, or you decide to continue to do your own bookkeeping, your responsibility as a business owner is to make sure you have accurate and timely financial information, and that you understand what your financial statements tell you about the health of your business. Make sure that you ask your bookkeeper any questions that you might have regarding your financial statements, or get the help that you need so that you can continue to generate revenues and increase the profits in your business. Imagine having a system in place where you spend less time buried in paperwork and more time doing what you love. That's where I help my clients. They're able to have proper processes in place, understand why they're following through with these processes, and they have more peace of mind when it comes to their business. Striking a balance between the demands of running a business and maintaining a fulfilling personal life is an art. It's about creating an environment where you can thrive and support the lifestyle you want. By being proactive and setting up efficient processes, you can ensure a smoother, more enjoyable year-end, and you'll be prepared to file any necessary filings with the IRS. By working with me, you'll change more than just your bookkeeping processes. Like many of the clients I've worked with, you'll go from not knowing how to get through all the stressful situations or being unprepared to being totally in control of exactly what you're choosing to get done at the time you want to have it accomplished by, all while knowing you're doing enough and you're able to enjoy your business and your personal life. I help clients just like you with strategy, mentorship, and coaching. When you work with me, you'll show up much more differently than you do today. And after all, this is ultimately what you want in your life, right? Come and join me. When I work with clients throughout the year, they're able to reduce their stress and overwhelm, understand how to master their small business finances, develop solutions to grow their bottom line, and create a work-life balance that they truly enjoy. I encourage you to take the next step by signing up for a free consultation where I'm going to teach you the first step in my process so that you can eliminate stress, overwhelm, or overworking in your professional or your personal life, while you continue to get done what matters so that you can live your life with joy, purpose, and a more fulfilled life. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions you have. I'd love to help you on this journey. You can schedule your free consultation or sign up for a coaching session today at financialadventure.com. As a certified public accountant and certified life coach, I can help you set goals and develop a plan that will allow you to lead a happier and more sustainable life in your business, your career, or your personal life. I'm here to guide you through the financial aspects of your business, as well as help you focus on the strategies that you need to follow to reach the success that you want to achieve in your professional or personal life, and stay committed so that you can continue to keep pushing forward and relieve the stress, anxiety, and overwhelm that you're currently feeling. Having an accountant and certified life coach like me can provide you with valuable insights and ideas to help you simplify your life, which enables you to go back to enjoying your professional and your personal life. I work with business owners, accountants, and other financial professionals to create the actionable steps that they need to take to ultimately achieve their goals, while getting relief from the stress and overwhelm they feel from the pressure of owning a business, deadlines, and the workload they face every day. If you're struggling with this as well and would like some help developing a solution, help strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. Sign up now. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I know there's something that you want in your life, and I can help you get it. Are you ready to enjoy your life now? Why would you want to wait? Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business or your career, and start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future, not only in your business or your career, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you thrive in your business or your career while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.